Alright, it's been a while since I've shot a video. I've got this frame right here made up to go around the back of around the opening in the cowl, and I've got the door jambs. I've got some material added to the door jambs, so right along here on both of them, so that we can tie it in and make it look real nice. And I'm starting to do the rust repair along the bottom of the cowls on both sides. There's some pretty good rust through. So last thing I got done was making the patch panel. And today my plan is to get these patch panels installed. So we got that one. It turned out looking pretty good. And then I got this one that needs a little more work before it's ready to go, but it also fits in here real nice, as you can see. So we'll get these finished up, cut the rust out, get that repaired. Then there's one other area on the cowl that needs some work. The bar that went across here that tied into the aluminum toe board was rusted really bad, and you can see where I took loose the spot welds, and so we'll get that piece made, piece of bar that gets some taps in it for attaching to that toe board, and we'll weld it back in. Other than that, we're pretty well ready to put this all together and mount the door jambs on it and get this part of the project behind me. Then all I'll have left on the cowl is some body work. So anyway, that's my updated progress. Well, today we finished up just getting this bottom of this side of the cowl all put in. I still got a little bit of welding and finish work. Definitely I'll have a little bit of body work. I got to finish stripping the paint off and all of that. I'll do a little work on the inside, but it doesn't look too bad. And I also finished up the patch panel for the other side. Once we get that all done, this will get stuck in there, just like I did the other side. A little bit at a time. This kind of work takes a long time. You have to stitch it in real slow to keep things from getting warped. So, making progress.